Max doing in this picture? What is Max the monkey doing? Tell me what he is doing. Tell me what Max is doing.
He's ready for...
Tell me what he's ready for. What is he doing?
He's ready. He's done the do-do-do.
Tell me. I need to know. Addie, tell.
He needs to go to
I don't know. Addie, tell me where he needs to go.
What is Max doing?
Addie, tell me, what is Max doing? What is he doing in this picture? Max is opening the door. It's a window, but it looks like a door.